Hello friends, how are you all? Due to my busy schedules, I couldn't be able to make videos on regular basis in the last few weeks. But guys, here I am back with another interesting and helpful content for you all. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you what should be your plan and strategy before you take your steps towards Canada immigration. I will also tell you how does Canada immigration select the candidates and how you can build your chances. Therefore, if you would like to come to Canada with less struggle in the immigration process, then please do watch this video till the end and follow the steps that I'm going to tell you here today. But before I begin, I would like to take you a few seconds for this quick product review. Recently, I came across with one Korean company, Skidstar, and since the product looks very great, very awesome, I felt to give it a try. So before I make any product review, me and my wife used their product for 2 months and the result is wonderful. Especially I like this Pure Heals face wash. It's a pore clear charcoal cleansing foam and it's very great, it's very wonderful because when I use this product for a couple of days, right, and when I see myself in the mirror, I can see the difference and it works very wonderful. It's very great and I recommend to all the men, try use this one, Pure Heals charcoal foam, this pore clear black charcoal cleansing foam. It's very great. Not only that, all other products, their products, this one is sleeping mask from Pure Heals and there are other products like this, all their products are very great, very wonderful. Even my wife liked it very much. We are still continuously using it every day, and you can check the whole line of products in their website. There are different varieties, different choices to choose from, right? And another good thing is that they have a gift box with a varieties of products, which is a perfect for gift to your wife and girlfriend in this season. So guys, check these products and I hope you will like it. Give it a try. Alright guys, now let's begin today's topic. If you want to come to Canada with a less struggle in the Canada immigration process, then you have to be very strong in the following 5 important factors. They are skills type or NOC level, work experience, English or French language proficiency, age, and education. And remember guys, the criteria of Canada immigration to select the candidate are also based on these 5 important factors, okay? And besides this, there is also one more thing they look for, and that is whether you have any family type here in Canada or not. But remember, this is not a mandatory requirement. Means if you do not have any family member, any relatives here in Canada, still you can apply and get selected, okay? Alright, now let's talk about the planning and your target. For your information, there are 80 different ways or programs to come to Canada. And among all these programs, Federal Express Entry is the best. It's the #1 program. Why is it so? Because in the Federal Express Entry, there is no need of job offer. Second, more than 500 NOCs or occupations can apply, which is a great advantage. Alright, so now you have to know what should be your target to achieve success in the Federal Express Entry. And for that, watch out this. Therefore, my advice to all the young boys and girls that if you have a dream to come to Canada, then you have to be very careful about the field of education you choose in the college and the universities. So here I'm going to give you the list of current and the future most in demand jobs in Canada, so that you will know what to study and what type of jobs you should do. Alright, now in case if you couldn't qualify in the Federal Express Entry, still you don't need to worry. Now you have to activate Plan 2, which is Provincial Nominee Program. There are 10 Provincial Nominee Programs and 1 Quebec programs. And out of all these 10 Provincial Nominee Programs and Quebec programs, your first target should be the following 4 Provincial Nominee Programs. And they are Alberta Express Entry, Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program, SINP, Ontario Tech Pilot, and Quebec Regular Skilled Worker Program. So these are the 4 programs you have to have your first target set on it. Okay, the reason why I advise you to choose these 4 programs is, again, in these 4 programs there is no need of job offer. Okay, so because of that only I recommend you, first of all, you apply in these 4 programs. Okay, 4 provincial nominee programs. And what should be your target to qualify in these 4 programs? Let's have a look. So guys, these are the targets. You have to assess yourselves and work very hard to get achieved all those required points and scores. Okay, some people say that in SINP 69 points is impossible to achieve without having any family tie-up or any relatives here in Canada, in Saskatchewan. That's not true. If you have a good education, if you have a master's degree, okay, in your ECA report, and your age is below 30, and if you have more than 5 years of work experience, plus very important, if you have your IELTS score 8 or above in each band, you will definitely get 69 points. It is there, it is achievable. Okay, there's nothing like that. If you have only bachelor's degree, of course not. If you don't have a good IELTS score like 7 below 7, 6, 5, 4, you can't. Okay, so that's why it is you. That's why I'm saying that set the target and work very hard. Because IELTS is the thing makes the difference in the score. Okay, similarly in the Alberta Express Entry also, say the minimum requirement is 300 CRS score. Don't think that if you have 300 CRS score you may get the chances. No, it's not like that. The higher the CRS score, the higher the chances. Not only, and on the top of that, your IELTS score plays a very important role. The higher the IELTS score, the higher the chances. Okay, so do not take it lightly. IELTS is very important. English language is very important. And on the other hand, if it is possible, then if you have both language efficiency, both English and French, then it will be ice on the cake. Okay, so try very hard. If you have a weaker credentials like educations and experience and other things, then you take the advantage of the language. Learn French, learn English, better language proficiency, and definitely you'll get success. So it's all depends in your hand. Okay, how hard you are trying for. People say that I have a dream to come to Canada for last 10 years, for last 15 years, for last 5 years, and so on. But have you ever tried yourself to achieve your dream? That's the question. What you have done to achieve your dream? Just only dreaming? Or you really work for it, or you really after for it? That's the question comes in. Okay, therefore, if you have a dream, if you say that you have a dream to come to Canada, then you have to understand what is the current requirement of Canada immigrations in different programs, right? In the Express Entry, as well as in the PNP programs and different other pilot programs. So your target should be the requirement, the criteria, in language, education, experience, what the government has set there. Your target is that to beat that one. Okay, that required points. Then obviously it's not impossible. Okay, you can get here. So that's the very important things. You have to be focused on your goal, focus on your mission. Okay, alright guys, that's all for today. Thank you very much for your time and watching my video. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care, have a good day, bye bye.